Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading and sustaining above 35,000. US just released retail sales numbers, and retail sales numbers are better than expected, which is pushing the Dow Jones, and it might test new all-time high today, but that is just an observation for now. But currently it is trading in positive zone, so let me give you the resistance and support very quickly. Before that, if you are new on my channel, you can subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. While clicking the bell icon, click the all notification so you will not miss any update from my channel. And if you have already subscribed the channel, please give a thumbs up to this video. Support stands at 34,920. Resistance, however, stands at 35,230. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart, currently trying to recover from the lows of 750. Currently it is trading 753. It has also entered in positive zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq support stands at 14,740. Nasdaq resistance, however, stands at 15,020. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to gold prices. This is gold hourly chart. Currently gold is trading 1822. I have given a support of 1818 in my Asian video, which I update on Hindi channel. You can subscribe that channel as well, link is in description. It had broken that support, and interestingly it has entered in weak zone. Technically it is in weak zone, but I'll just stick with trend, and that is very flat trend. So resistance stands at $1,832. Gold support at $1,815. Trend is very flat, so I would not recommend any trade because today is Friday as well, so I would not want you to hold any position for Monday. It could be very risky. Let's move on to crude oil before indulging in forex and crypto. This is crude oil chart. Finally it is trying to enter in positive zone, but it is still trading in weak zone. It will not enter in positive zone till it does not break our resistance, which is at 72.50. Crude oil resistance stands at $72.50. Crude oil support, however, stands at $71.30. Crude oil is still trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy, but if market breaks 72.50 and manage to sustain above that level, crude oil will enter in positive zone. Let's move on to forex. First we will see euro, which is trading in weak zone. It is trading around 1804 after making high around 1822. It also made low around 1792. Still it is trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. Euro support stands at 1770. Euro resistance, however, stands at 1830. Currently euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound, currently trading 38.12 after making low around 37.91. It is trading in weak zone, so let's have a look at resistance and support. Once it broke 3800, it has entered in weak zone, so resistance at 3880. Support, however, stands at 3770. Currently it is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to cryptocurrencies. First we will say Bitcoin, and if you want me to add any other instrument, be it forex or be it index, let me know. I will surely add that. This is Bitcoin chart trying to recover from the 31,000 lows. Currently trading at 31,800. Still it is trading in weak zone because it has not broken the resistance of 32,200. Resistance at $32,200. Support $30,800. Still it is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's have a look at Ethereum now. This is Ethereum now, currently trading 1895 after making low around 1848. It is also trying to recover but still way below to the resistance, which will act as hurdle. Resistance at $1950. This is a big hurdle for Ethereum. Support at $1840. Currently it is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. I will see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy weekend.